This video chart presentation is Shanda Games. This trades on the NASDAQ exchange under ticker GAME. One of our technical stocks to watch this week. It's come out so far, made a nice little move off the bottom, up about 5%. The reason this chart was picked as a technical stock to watch this week is because it's a chart with nice volume, good liquidity, and a nice pattern formed through here with a solid support level just below $3. Going to encounter a little bit of resistance on the top side of a channel it's been in, but if it breaks through that, it's not going to meet some more resistance again until several percentage points down the road, potentially trying to challenge 6-month highs. There's been a pretty nice uptrend in the MACD, moving back towards zero, but it's having a difficult time breaking through that point. And like I talked about in the Canadian video chart to watch this week, it's really kind of a make or break point for that MACD. Typically on liquid stocks, it's either going to make that breakthrough and the chart's going to go much more bullish, or it's going to fall off, price per share is going to fall through support, and the MACD will typically enter a downtrend. So it's kind of at a key point and coming off that support and making the move. Now I want to watch that MACD and see if it's going to break and hold above zero. High or low being made in the slow still, but again, I always want to see it above 50 and trending on the upper half of that indicator to show sustained bullish momentum in the chart. Money flow index has made the move to the upper half, telling me people are paying higher prices for the stock, which of course is a bullish indication. RSI 14 has just now pushed through 50. Again, that's a key point for it to get above 50 and hold above 50 to show that bullish momentum is being sustained in the play. You can see little moves here and there where it pushed through 50, but the momentum couldn't be sustained and it promptly broke back down, and as such the price per share never followed through with much of a move. So this time around I'd be looking for the RSI to push higher, and on any pullbacks, hold over top of 50 to lend some strength to the idea that the upward trend is going to continue. I'd look for bottom support, as I mentioned, just below $3 on the bottom side of that channel. It's important that that holds, because if it doesn't, the odds are pretty good it's going to come back down here around 275. But importantly, it's going to be breaking a strong support level, and the MACD will probably go into a bearish trend. Now to the upside, there's some short-term resistance right there in front of it, right at Tuesday's high at 315, and it'd be important to see a push above that, but I'd suspect that resistance could be much stronger up around 325. See, by taking that line out even further, goes back to a historic support point, it's going to reinforce the idea of that being a tough area of resistance. If it does break through that though, well, I'd say it will meet some resistance around $3.60. I'd say the next major area of resistance is up around $3.85. Nice upside from where it is, 20-25%, and for that reason it's a chart to keep an eye on. We always look for the buy on support type of mentality, and for charts that are making a move off of strong support. So as long as this bottom stays intact, this chart can stay in play to see if the upward pressure is going to continue, and if the trend is going to go truly bullish, and if some stronger momentum is going to begin in this play. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the GAME chart. But as always, merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. I do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.